Namaskar everyone. So today in this lesson I'll be teaching you how to send video files through email by properly defining the access. So first of all, when you open up your email, you can see this sort of interface. So you can see here over compose. So for sending new email, you please click on this compose button. So you can see this window which says new message. Now in this two, you need to type the destination email address. So let me send this video from one of my email address to the other one. So I'll type the destination email address. In the subject, I'll just write video, and in the body, I'll just write please find the attached files as PFA. Now we can see here over there's a button that says attach files. So whenever we click this, we can locate our videos. Now my video right now is in this text extended Dix, and this video is Shizuka Global Day of Parents. So this is the video. You can locate your video as per your wish. So whenever I click this, it will be uploaded. Now this is one important person. Whenever the file is larger than 25 MB, the file won't be sent directly through Gmail. It will be uploaded first to Google Drive, then the link will be sent through the email. So this is happening. The file is being uploaded to Google Drive. Now once it gets completely uploaded, the link comes over here in email. It won't be like a full displayed as video, but it will be seen as a button. So now we can click send. So now after we click send, we can see this is a very important person. Now who we do want to share this video with? If we just do want to share this video with one person, it's okay, but let's not do this. Let's do turn link sharing on. Whenever we do turn link sharing on, if the email is forwarded, the access need not be sent again. So this is the advantage of turn link sharing on. Like what happens is we send video to a person and the person forward to the other. During that case, the access needs to be provided again. But if we do turn link sharing on, now anyone with the link can view the video. So we can click send. Now the email is sent, and this is the way like we can attach our video files through email. That's all. Thank you.